Hello. Happy Valentine's Day. So, here in Japan, the girl usually gives the boy chocolates. So, Joy gave me chocolates for Valentine's Day today.
Yay.
And what she gave me is Kitkat. Special, the ruby chocolate Kitkat, which is claimed to be a fourth kind of chocolate. So milk, dark, white chocolate, and then now ruby. It's been 80. It's the first new chocolate in 80 years. But there's apparently some people question if it's actually a new chocolate. So whatever, it's supposed to have a fruity taste to it. Joy gave this to me, and we thought we would try it out. So exciting, isn't it? So this is the outside of the box, and here's the inside. So white, the dark milk chocolate, and then we have 2 ruby. So 2 pink chocolates.
We're gonna really fight over that dark chocolate one, aren't we?
Of course, since you love it. So it looks like we have two long Kit Kat bars. In Japan, the normal size Kit Kat is this. So this is the white chocolate sake Kit Kat. So different. This is old Kit Kat, maybe stale, but it still smells like sake. But I mean, as you can see, it's about. I mean, as you may know, it's rather small.
It's a mini Kit Kat.
It's a mini, is it? That's what it says on it.
No, I mean that's what they are.
So here you go. I'll let you share. I'll share with you.
Thanks.
You know, it's for me.
How nice of you.
Maybe on White Day I'll get you something. Okay. So sublime. Very pink. Also, it will make a good spring cherry blossom season Kit Kat because of all the pink on it. Well, it's good for winter too because strawberries are popular in winter. Okay. Actually, the color is a little darker than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be a lighter pink.
It smells like a regular Kit Kat.
Yeah, it smells like a Kit Kat. And doesn't
Smells like a milk chocolate Kit Kat.
Yeah. I don't know. So we'll see. But yeah, so here we go. Here's the size. Can we see that? Yeah, it's about like half the size. So it's still.
Maybe
this
is the regular size.
I think.
Kit Kat?
Yeah, I think this is the size we'd get back in America.
Maybe you can get these in a milk chocolate here or in something dark chocolate, but these are what they normally sell it in.
If this is half, there's 2 of these, so therefore it's the same size.
I think this is what the regular ones look like.
Yeah. Okay, there's something getting a little melty on my fingers. Oh, no pictures. Oh well.
We're just gonna have to have a picture.
Okay, go ahead, take a picture.
All our kids stuff.
Yeah, that's what we do. We have kids. Okay.
Try it.
Yeah, let's go. It smells like chocolate.
Okay. At first, it just tastes like the milk chocolate. And then you keep going, then it has the fruity taste to it.
Yeah.
But at first, it just tastes like milk chocolate. Since I don't like white or dark, I think it tastes.
Yeah, it had a berry, a fruity taste.
Yeah.
Right at the end. It's supposed to, like the ruby chocolate's supposed to be like not sweet. It's like supposed to be like sweet, not sweet, bitter, not bitter, or something.
I think
It's supposed to have a little bit of sweetness and bitterness to it. I think. With a little bit of research I did this afternoon.
I think it's sweet.
It has a sweetness to it, but it's not like sweet like white chocolate. It's not sweet like milk chocolate. There's a sweetness, and also a bit of bitterness like a dark chocolate, but
yeah, I think it's sweeter at the end when you taste the berry.
yeah. Yeah, well, this is something interesting. Yeah. So can you see?
It's like a normal Kit Kat, but pink.
Yeah, darker pink than I was expecting. So there we go. I mean, this is not really something you buy frequently. This is more of a gift thing. I think they were selling the individual packets.
But they sold out really quickly.
Yeah, they're harder to find. But if I had the option to get it again, like this, like the normal mini Kit Kat, I probably wouldn't. Just, I enjoyed the sake one a lot actually. So we did buy that one again. But this, if I had the option of buying it again, I probably wouldn't. It's fun to try it because it is something so different. That's the fun thing about these Japanese Kit Kats. There's so many different kinds and they're different and it's fun. But to get it again, I don't think I would. It's not.
I would get it in the mini to give to people.
Yeah, to give to people would be fun,
Yeah.
but not for myself. But thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun to try. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna take you much bigger bites than you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there we go. The Ruby Chocolate Kit Kat. Only available right now in Japan and South Korea, maybe, I think. So, definitely something different.
Oh, this has the ruby.
Yeah, it's on the front here too. There's Ruby right there. Yeah. So Japan and its fun Kit Kat flavors. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.